How to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So the first step that you will need to take right here is open up your photos. After you're on your gallery, you'll also need to keep in mind is that to recover permanently deleted photos, you will have a 30 days time limit, and after the 30 days you can look for it in the iCloud if you have backed it up. If not, recovering that photos will not really be possible. Now, after that, let's begin. So if you've deleted any photos from your gallery, what you can do is scroll down and you'll find a utilities section. Under the utilities section, you'll find a recently deleted option as well. All you have to do is tap on the recently deleted and then tap on view album. You will need to just give your verification that it's you. And after the verification is done, you can then see all the photos that you have deleted. So after you've seen that picture, what you can do is you can recover it. So to recover it, there you will find a recover button at the bottom right. If you see the recover button at the bottom right, you can tap on it. Now, in case you don't want it, there is also a delete button to delete it at the bottom left. You can also select multiple photos and multiple videos that you have deleted and recover them by tapping on the three dots at the bottom right and then tapping on recover. Also confirm, and the photos will have been recovered. And yeah, you can now head back and check out the photos. And that's basically it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.